Hi, welcome to another live optionables trading video. I'm Saket and today we are going to take a look at trades taken on 22nd of March 2021 and review them. So after a week, after the entire week of down move, we found today the markets consolidated and closed almost flat. So there was absolutely no movement in Nifty alone, but BankNifty saw some profit booking again, and the weakness further continued. So we saw BankNifty break as low as 33,500 also, and then towards the end it bounced back again. So Nifty Nifty was looking strong from the beginning, and so even though Bank Nifty had fallen over a percent, around 500 points, Nifty was just trading around 60 to 70 points lower. So Nifty was showing some strength throughout the day thanks to FMCG and IT. And towards the end, Nifty closed completely flat, and banking stocks closed at red. So coming to our trades, like usual, today we didn't actually take 3 systems, but we did only 2 systems. So the system at 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. So we skipped the 10 o'clock system, as I have mentioned earlier, that for the next few days we are trying to go light on positions because it is end of financial year. So with regards to the trade which we took, today after 1 o'clock it was more or less entire day of consolidation. We really didn't see any one-sided trending move. Neither did the stop loss on any of the trades get triggered. So we had kept, so totally we had 4 legs. One entered at, for the trade we entered at 1 o'clock, we had 2 legs open, and for the trades we entered at 2 o'clock, we had 2 legs open, and there was absolutely flat movement throughout the day. So we entered 33,600 at 1 o'clock. The market did come down after that. Then we again entered 33,400 at 2 o'clock, and the market finally ended at 33,600 itself. So if you see the market from 1 o'clock till 3 o'clock, there's absolutely no move. So the market did manage to go down, but the closing was in and around that level itself. And so before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, and also there are links to various social media platforms such as Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram. So you can use those links to follow us on the particular platform, and please do share this video with your friends if you have liked the video, and also hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And coming to the trade, so you know that if the day is of complete consolidation and no move, then there's going to be a lot of theta decay in options, and that is what exactly happened today. So we saw a lot of decay in the premium of options towards the end, and especially the trade which we took at 1 o'clock, that alone gave us close to 1 lakh. So we didn't have to do anything. The market did go down, come back up, and that trade alone gave us close to 1 lakh. And the second trade which we took, so we did small adjustments there just to make sure that in case if something goes bad, we won't be losing much. So because of that, the profits came down slightly, but not to a great extent though. But if it had gone completely against us, maybe say there was a further downside towards 33,200 or something like that, then the adjustments what we did would have definitely helped. So helped to save us a lot of money. So this way today's trade ended on a pretty good note. So we were able to make around 1.5 lakh profit, even though we reached a peak of somewhere close to 1.9 lakh. So we closed everything around 312 with a profit of 1.5 lakh. So that is for today's entire trade. Hope you guys have liked the video. I have tried to keep it short and crisp in this video, so it would be just around 4 to 5 minutes. Thank you so much for joining.